Okay guys, this is Anonymous again signing in YouTube. Today is 8:29 a.m. early morning here in the Philippines. October 24, 2011. I'm making my other tutorial, so again let's do this fast and easy. So the title of my tutorial is this: Uno Mas Tutorial Y Supra MNT Domination Voice Y Supra plus MNT Domination Voice plus PC Monster Y Republica Star. Let's start. First you must open your MNT Voice Protect. Okay, as you can see it's there. Voice Protect ready. Open your PC Monster 2 and run software. Just wait. Okay, after you run software, choose a necessary ID to go in the room. And okay, I'm choosing shower voice here. Then go to a particular room. First you must change some protocol. Okay, you must change some protocol here. Servers, you must type in localhost. Okay, type in localhost and click apply. Then we go to a chat room. Okay, let's go to Metro Manila Barcada 2 and let's join. WE 35 RJRT Sunset, and we're connected. Okay, so what does that mean? We have a triple PC domination again. I'm using the voice domination of MNT Voice Protect with voice domination and voice lag protect. I'm using the voice domination of BC Monster TCP Slate, and I'm using the BC of AY Supra. So to test this, let's just test. Okay, click in the max, click in the scroll, and you must choose and ghost mode ID. Okay, and I'm choosing what? I'm choosing here. Wait, choosing. Okay, let's choose this one. LKFF S66 HDWR and send. And we're ghosting mode enable. So now I will step in and watch, guys. See, so you have a triple BC domination. Okay, I'm just showing you that you can use MNT voice domination and TCP BC Monster and the PC of Y Supra all at the same time. Okay guys, and this is Unomas signing out, and I hope this tutorial will help you in the near future. Okay, and goodbye and sayonara again. This tutorial is sick. Okay guys, bye. Bye guys, bye YouTube.